According to the American Psychological Association, nearly half of teens reported that they were not doing enough to manage their stress, and more than 1 in 10 said they never set aside time to manage stress. Furthermore, the average stress level of Gen Z is a 5.8 on a 10-point scale, compared to the average stress level of Americans, which is a 4.9. 3/4 of teens suggest they want more emotional support, and 83% of students reported that school is the most common source of their stress. Middle school can be a difficult and stressful time. Students go from learning in one classroom with limited homework to taking anywhere from 4 to 7 classes, each with their own separate assignments. Other than short periods between classes, break time isn't scheduled into the school day. With no options, the additional work can become stressful and overwhelming very quickly. Studies have shown that taking short breaks from studying can be extremely beneficial. So, our big idea is to transform a space in a school into a room where students can go to take a constructive break, called an escape room. The dedicated space was to be filled with comfortable furniture and different activities for students to do. The time spent in this room would be technology-free, allowing students the time to focus on taking care of themselves. One thing we struggled with was adapting the room for specific students' needs, especially when it came to an active or quiet environment. We decided to put that issue to the side temporarily and traveled to Elizabeth Middle School to pitch our idea. And this is what happened.
I can say this is what we need or this is what we want.
Yeah.
I just can't do it.
Yeah, so
and
we
you can't do it.
No, because I don't have time.
But this is one of the spaces that we have. Here is the other room.
Yay! We did it!
They asked us to transform 2 rooms, which solved the active versus quiet issue. We decided to make the smaller room into a quiet room where students can relax and do mindful activities, and the larger room into an active room where students can chat with each other, color, and possibly even shoot hoops into an indoor basketball hoop. When the lockdown was announced, we decided to continue our project by collecting materials to donate to the school for the rooms. These items included a mini basketball hoop, coloring supplies, posters, paintings, a salt lamp, and a diffuser. Here's an idea of what we expect the rooms to look like. We expect that with these rooms, the stress levels of EMS students will drop from the Gen Z average of 5.8 to at least 4.9. While we weren't able to finish putting the rooms together, we will be continuing our partnership with EMS into the summer. We're so excited to work with the school and the community to see our project through and give next year's staff and students an incredible resource.